even this aban benefited from say obi timi tena ni social media so no we didi obi atem nipa ni timi didi menhia atem didi obi atem. This aban benefit from it, and this is my worry. Yenyan krofo a omutimi tena platform so na omu declare say omu support NDC, but no we didi didi menhia didi atem. And they benefit from it, they don't talk about it. Na sabi obi ka bibia na wan ka ye na won tiasia na the tuo any macho akotwe na se. So obi ka bibi na o publish bibia enko ya ye de mra no yambu nipa no. Yemfa hey police na akoka we na wi say ne ye bebo enya ni bie sa anyoma na ene security e ya adwene security nya matwosem.
NDC TV journalist Nana Jantuah abe reacted to Rambo style arrest ya Ghana police for Echo Meki to Sir Obama Pukwase. Wabe fire Ghana police service. Ama ebi akwa kama hama se nkurasesɛm no ya dɔso. This kind of Rambo style arrest no. What is the crime of Sir Obama? Nana Jantuah abe with a question. Afire Mahama pa any NDC government. Aha Penyah block media. Meso ase any demo. Obe like video no ada ma subscribe button na be click the notification icon no latest updates na be chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section meso aso baswa no a share video more for so enya bi ahwe enti enra anopa na homa chini mu ene pop up on the internet. They say Ghana police service akobo ewura Sir Obama o pokua say we NPP communicator we serious and very loud NPP party member omo mudi nkomo e wo media no so de Facebook or very loud I say yen defend NPP de oba no ho ba o ye adwuma so no boy adwuma ne ye edema NPP eno na ba say ahomache no Ghana police service for akọ ni fie akọ making arrest I say how much call so no ne pono kro mo twetwa ne pono nyina o ma twetwa ne pono akọ to ahye nso akọ asizo mu kwache an robber bi aso mu kwache notorious an robber within ni kase bi no mu kwa akwatere ne nyina ye video bi a che say Sir Obama o make on Facebook and in the video no some tags be a brandishing weapon heavy weapon is a tuo akese tuo gukudamana boys bi edidi agro montez eno na Sir Obama e post here I say IGP enti wote ho under your watch and civilians etimi enya the audacity a brandishing weapon in a public view. Say, how did we get here and how did we end here as a country? This is the post I just say. Sir Obama emeke eno mo no ana Ghana police for ekwache no say of course fear and panic video no post here no of course fear and panic to people other person as I misinformation so or criticizing the IGP any other eno mo ana now so say omukwache say Obama ama e ba ye kwa no social demonstrators amanfo bi edinka de nkomo ana fire Ghana police omu nim do mu ye because say as remember that the party sympathize and sympathize with NDC as now no you are under the influence of NDC because anyama obi NDC ni ye bia ye nya ne hwe no NPP ni be na kwa kwakye e now de mon kan kire say mo serve NDC mon kan kire
Ghana police. This is shameful. This is very embarrassing. A reputable state institution like yours should not be putting out statements like this. You arrested someone because he's shared a video on his Facebook page. He didn't go to record it secretly. He just posted a video which is already on social media, on TikTok, elsewhere. Is there. Only for you to come back and say you've arrested him because he's helping you in an investigation to discover or uncover illegal weapons. For real? When you do this, how do you expect the citizenry to have trust in the police service to be able to volunteer information? This is not nice. This is mere case of showing the guy where power lies. And we know that it's part just some of his Facebook page of going against your boss himself, the topmost. That is why you've kind of used this as a decoy just to get after him. Even if it were so, must you go and break the guy's house to arrest him? You didn't go there with a court warrant. You didn't invite him and he refused. You had to break into his door or into his home and pick him up. This is not right, Ghana police. This is not right. This is not a statement you can use to incriminate him. Other people have shared this video. Why are you not going after them? Why only say Obama? Why? Is this a method to want to use to gag NPP members? No. We're in a democratic dispensation. We won't allow the state to use the security services to intimidate the opposition party. We won't. We will speak up. At best, you take him to court and court will decide. That is the beauty of democracy. He will have his day in court. And definitely, the court will use the law to determine the legality of it. Why? What kind of state of fear is this government trying to kind of put in people? Then political actors like us, you want to gag us, you won't gag us, we will speak. Oh. Even under Rawlings, people spoke, people demonstrated under military rule. Talk less of a democratic dispensation. It's not nice for a state institution like yours. It's not nice. At a point, we all started praising the police service, that you are upgrading. There was professionalism we are all seeing. And at a point, people will even be willing or will be willing to volunteer information. But when things like this begin to come up again, then you are not instilling confidence in us as citizens to want to cooperate with the police. Please, this is not nice. Release Obama, because he's not guilty of any offense.
Na eno no anane anopere hu Nana Jantuah abamu bie. Na Nana Jantuah abekire police force omo nim how to make arrest there. Nana Jantuah abekire how a kwan a was a police for effa so e make arrest. Na emu no wa fire Mahama say Mahama hwe ya ntu nansi from and stop the police for any national security ayi o ma yemu dia. Ono na otu na mana na ono aso betum America na tie egu no so.
Tesa branche we wakwaka bibia tia IGP. Ose etuo bebre bi wo system ni mu a IGP onim na dwuma a woye na sa tuo na ekuta no the way wo si twa o share etuo ni bi because nkofo bi hihye etuo no e no no so share say sa tuo we ni ate say e wo system ni na IGP o chiwo a woye den enti nsem na o kan ye no se wo ready na wo tie a e be ye wadwen say as IGP wada ena ase wo support say nkofo bi mfatuo enye nyoma basa enti wo share ye ne saa no eno ahomache ne enya nkra say police for akwakobu say Obama pokuase ne dan muntie o abrantie na ye ka no asem no wakasa etia me waguma ni ma ase pen wadifame me anka metimi de na court because enye nokre. But enra homache police for kobu ni dan adan a wa share information bi Kofi Kinkai mame na me bia dem pese me ka no maka
we free Ghana Police Service also police statement on the arrest of Daniel Adomako, Prince Ofori, and 2 others. The Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other security agencies, Adenai reference my main kind of meha. My main kind of meha say. Abba, okay. All right, the Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other security agencies, has arrested Mr. Daniel Adomako, known as social media as Obama Pokwase, earlier today. Yeah. And to us, Nana, Prosifo, Omone, Eya Bambo, Dumeku, Ahodobia, Akako, Mwabuma, Umechimiache, Eye, Ura Daniel Adomako. I don't know idea of the social media, so yes, Obama Pokwase. Night, Enra, no more. His arrest is part of ongoing intelligence-led operations by the police and other security agencies aimed at dismantling networks involved in illegal possession and display of sophisticated weapons. Etinana ose chia omache no ejina aprosifo eye entie ni hunu omo ehunu ede afa eye etuo ene akodie bia na womo en se puk se eye Obama ene na pamfu bia wɔn susu sɛ wɔn nam entertain fidie so dan saa akodeɛ no ɛne saa ɛyɛ ɛnoma no adi nti ɛno enti na wɔn de akɔkye no nana.
All right. Now, I say these operations which have been on, he said he's assisting investigation into some images and videos he circulated on social media depicting individuals openly brandishing these illegally acquired sophisticated weapons.
Nana, I say, omo anche no kwa omo chene so omo boa na nhwehwemu a efa eye enfonyi bia oda na di ni eye kasafonyine ahodo bi videos bia eno so ene nam social media no so ankofo bi ka ho a na wonu mu kura atubrane a wonu mu dan no a edidi ahim ewo sa kasafonyine ni mu na eno nti na omo afa na omo so omo boa na nhwehwemu enkoso.
All right. Now kenka we so ye the other ones now machi omo no.
Ti and I'll say these operations, which have been ongoing for several weeks, have led to the significant retrieval of substantial number of illegal arms and ammunition. I'll say, and yet no more chassis. More chassis is an issue. We are Namusukra Masan, no more Timia, a Condia who do be. Kura action, Tisa Obama, the no Bekanwa, Momushimuno, to me, Enona, Prosi for the Abba.
Now, dear, me person me can was sad way huni. Yera John Mahama wadaruma si say nano eno amekan say enyoma papa bebre na woye na to de bia de ma oman no bufu ba ko ne say ekwan a aban sesa say ye national security ana police for omofa so ye omunyoma abrante no a share photo ana video a ye invite no me say abrante waka bibi atia me pen but ekwan a national security ni police for ekobu ni dan te se oye kromfo no aden waye den police for person busa waye den wa share ade bi a ankoyi se me ka bibi na ankoyi a yemfa tuo emegina me so ebu me dan because ye say waka bibi na sebi mo say wa share photo ana image bi a ekyerese nkrofo bi ekuta tuo no abo IGP dia enya no ane se we invite ne se Obama we na bia wo eho asemka enti bra ne ni ho nkomo they do that recently America police for ho asem no empanyifo a omo police omo frame me omo ehunehuna me o America police for ni MTTD for no police command omo frame me omo ehunehuna me de omo ya ne say nana wadaruma unya bre a eya bra ne ni nkomo sa no mo kai very professional obi eni wo intimidate me police for were very professional nana asem na wo ka no ehu hia pa ntimpacho eya bra ono kra wo frame me anytime bi obefre kra na me say me kira de ba onya abotre obefre me MTT the police commander Orabuadi obefre me nana na anytime nana unyambai enra kra na ne e ka efa OA Express no ofra driver no owie was our friend me my many driver ni di nkomo. This is the professionalism I talk about in police. Inti se Obama aka bibia na wahye bibi na enkoya police, why do you go and attack him? Muko buni dancer, please get me those kind of pictures. Mamo nya ni sa yera John Mahama and your papa bra we say abon se na nyoma na kata eso akata. And then this week crop from market emrantia we say over 200 worker yamfa mrantia she crop from mrantia o mani agia o mu ye adwuma o crop from market eni je bebre na nkofo ka ho asem a yom bridge o ye ho adwuma eno ye ba be ka ho asem eni o papa wo ye phase 2 ukusu ye adwuma kama o ti ase eni o bebre papa na wo ye emma sa nyoma wei embe ye ma afi instead say be ka sa nyoma pa no na afi ye ka say and a police for and a national security for. Listen, problem na yentimi nkan ne say national security ne police for no ebinimu wo ho a fu soldiers ne doso ne no emrepemema ba beka ekwan ye for so recruit soldiers any police any national security no aye amanyosem too much enti abrante ne ba na dwene ekuta ne nyina ye fie adwene enye security adwene me say ka biem sa police ni soldiers na ye de aye MPP ni NDC a obekono na nipa no kwa wa say minister we na de mai MP we ento kwa trimode on sheda nya adwuma enti wuja na oye hey ti se sabi kurasi ni bia asa wabo na wakutatuo na odi hurahura nkrofo na se Obama waka bibia okoye ne dai wa share bibi ntifa kobuni dai enya ni bie munyai police sa anyoma na mo ye no IGP se obi bawudi na ontiase a don't use because you are IGP never will be and the man ye adwuma invite the person. If the person is resisting arrest, then you can handle the person. I disagree with the approach. Sir Obama is good here in court. They are court to be money bail because information say misinformation you require your first year no. Yes, central for see can be na enkoya emra no say there was here dey. It is a mean Nana Jantuah na multimedia ye can be na ankoya ye mfetuo ye was system aye no ye was National Media Commission wo ho National Media Commission na hwe ye nyina ye so enti police ni ntimi ma no aba be hey enya dwuma sa because ye wo Ghana ha no ye practice what we call libertarian and social responsibility theory kind of press. And then I may baba chere unyoma be na bi no ate Ghana ye concept na se sebi ye ni South Korea any North Korea any Russia na sebi obi ka bibia na wanka ne ye na won tiase na di tuo any macho akotwe na se so obi ka bibi na o publish bibia enkoya ye de emra no ye mbu nipa no ye mfa hey police na akoka we na yi say ne ye bebo enya ni bie sa nyoma na ene security eya adwene security nya matwosem eya adwene. You have to be very professional, and these are all part of the ethics of the profession. My mention Ghana baby work quickly.
Oh yeah! Come on! Isha
104.5
Kofi
Nana
say oye communication
yeah
ade ba kwa ye communication okusua communication ye betrew e wo mass communication mo
sure
ye bibi e friend of press theory
sure
na press theory no ye nkrofo be miensa bi e na keka bo mu
yeah
e na omude saa adwempone baaye ba ko ne e friend Sibet ba ko ne e friend Peterson and about near friend Shram. Na Sibet Peterson Shram. And na omude sa adwempone bae.
Yeah.
And omuche say ye won tiche mu be enan. Na sa nan no ekre o man bia ne ekwan a insentropho adwuma no the way sitie.
So omo culture of journalism ne sa no man.
Ekwan a omo faso ye omo insentro adwuma.
Yeah.
Enti yemra Facebook ene eda ho no oba Facebook aye de ato ye de uko school enti who four theories of the press are there all can nyina ne say country bia wo kwan a ofoso ene the way aban ni si hu insentro adwuma
yeah
enti number 1 o say ye frɛ ba ko bi authoritarian theory authoritarian nature say who a say government controls the press
enti untimi nya bibia wa bra aban ense nim aban ne hye de omonye
aban ne hye aban ne kyerɛ sɛ aban ne kase
nti untimi nka we untimi nye we aban de san hyehyɛ ne beba enti wahu kura na aban se untimi nka we ya untimi nka
enti ɛhɔ no de ɛkyɛ ne sɛ ɛhɔ no de obetimi abie private radio station
yeah
ɛna aban so wɔ ne radio station but nsɛm ni bi wɔ hɔ a untimi nka ti said the yetimi ka
yeah
untimi nka sa de no and no sa theory ne fe no authoritarian theory
right
a authority enti be bit say even Russia money na say for no Russia some were private but usuru ade bi wɔ ha untimi nka and no say ye wɔ de aban ni control and no de ye ma wa kwanya ma wobetimi ye dia wope.
Yeah.
And your friend libertarian, which is liberty. Liberty ni kire say e obetimi a kire wa adwen. Obetimi didi president atem. Obetimi aka de opese oka. President betimi adi watem bi, unso betimi adi president atem bi. Ebi ti say USA. Ebi ti say Canada. Ene na busuafo ni nyina no. Those people no, on sentina Donald Trump timi yep, wa hwan na see ne fonso aye Donald Trump. Canada bi wo ho. So because omo de omo ti ase.
Yeah.
What you say? Good. Now, libertarian no, and then confirm who say we giant central for omubeye di omupe. Everybody di atem.
Yeah.
Everybody di omupe. Enti enye ye ma wa kwenya ma wa ye di opedie. Now so fa adwene to ho. Ti adwene na the third one.
Yeah.
That be socially responsible. And into multimedia, ebetra will say, "Oh, akwenya so be kan kwena so wo ka hu ni say asem bi wo ho a for national security yenka."
Yeah.
Into wo gina TikTok so a TikTok no wobetimi akadoka na emom enko gina TikTok ka say menya na nka John Mahama ewu.
Yeah.
Because e was so dia adwene to so say John Mahama president or abusia or your president asem bi wo ho a yenka.
Yeah.
Menko gina ho nka say me bompa yese na Akufo do afru plane on timhwe na onwu.
Yeah.
NDC ni bi e friend honto or ye centroni. Now radio gold at that time na na ye ka plane ho asem no. Na branch na bompa yese say na Akufo do fru plane na
ono so
onwu. The same thing so na TikTok foi eye NPP foi na bi bompa yese John Mahama na nko menya na nka John Mahama ahye. Social responsibility be catch say o ho akwanya se ka de ope na nso fa adwene to ho iti e ho no na NMC National Media Commission any NCA any Minister of Communication omo bamu no to make sure say we ye bibi na enkoya ye betumi atwewaso.
Yeah.
Last one is Soviet communist and I say communist Soviet e ho de yen camera and na ye North Korea ne China ni Cuba no and no ye ni private radio station and no ne de ye aba president no na oye editor into a hand ka bia multimedia ka ye John Mahama dia ti John Mahama yire betimi akai news ne ba betimi aba be kan news abeye ofie kwaso untimi nye bi into dia abai no ka no wo be ka de wo ka news ni nyina free na so eye
on the trade here. Okay.
But Ghana, you were between libertarian and social responsibility.
Yeah.
Say, who are one kwenya se kadiobeka. Nemo for infiansa eto.
Yeah. Very important.
And no be na MPP for ni bi. Ko fantimo ne ho ahoma koka bibia. Ya twi o maso because o makoka nsem bia abroso.
Yeah.
And no be na NDC Nina no bompa yese na Akufo do ngu so through plane na. Ne ka chen and no so yesabi eni kwansa wo boss empire no.
Yeah.
But this is where the Ghanaian space drew. For me, what I want to say in all these things is say I like the way say yes sanitize the system no.
Sure.
Because obi timi social media na waka bibia di watem and also wotimi aka bibia nya no kre na waka afa ne ho adi. By this no ebema obi aye study say and the social media na te say the meti radio so untimi nkogina social media so nka asem bia uni hu yebetwe waso. But my challenge is that in democracy no we don't use Rambo style. Kofi.
Yeah. Nana, very, very, very important. Say, you're trimping for This is not the first time I come. There have been several arrests. In fact, you boy around for them. I quite remember, say, Reverend Intim Forjo nearby Kanwasem when they went to the house. I mean, to me, the way the arrest also went and all that. So many arrest by following up with this one. I think say it should be lessons for the security services. Say no maybe because nimo and to me wa etete na me nana de bia me can say say be prosini bia okuani bia ni wa kwafu no so wo kono akopɛ bɔde ba akwa wo nkurasekan prosini bia ni sojani ya training omo se tuo e na omo de edi omo dwuma enti ye den a wo koya arrester you may carry a gun eno de abrochire US baby bia prosini ma obi ho so wo be che no wa bra tuo nhye no etuo hye no but here the man here a bit different say as here no tiabo frɛ no ne AK47 no ejamfa nkɔ no kɛse no ebo kɛhyire no ekura wa na ye huhu nti wo ba fie ho ana se fiefuo nyina edwane ene man ne ha dwene eno na ya ama aye too obvious as a prosifuo be hunahuna nkrofo ofi but ideally see ye komu pa dia bambofo there's no country I because a police ni ade ko ya arrester they don't have a rightful and answer a gun because they don't know the things that will happen ebia bibi betumi asi which needs say omo react and there's no protection for them it won't be carry through there but US ni ade side down e bo hockey to bi ordinata ade kra de aguso nti hu se tuo kra she police ni no until say bibi be koso a ehia so defending no ho ananse omutimi ye bibi no matwetuo na pie atade eguso a hu se pistol crash police ni no no de ko and rightful and that is adia omoye is part of the SOPs ontimi nkoya arrest without it but ye too much whilst you see 15 police officers etu akese wo famfam kwekehire die na ekurakura om na de awura fie nkwala wo fie bi kura nye nyiriye ohutuo kura ne yem hyehye no na ya traumatize family no na ya dan ya niko in the name say ye kwa arrest you be. And this is what we are preaching, say IGP. I mean, there should be, some kind of review of said you must see arrest. Namoko protocols were always follow SOPs. In fact, Nana Oka invitation. Me, I don't know whether they invited this guy, who didn't go, and I be at I say Obama, or inviting you, so my inviting you. My police statement didn't state that, so my inviting on one call. But they know the processes. Say, be also man invitation. So when I'm by assist investigation, now you can go on to arrest. But me no me who so man can say be inviting we refusing. And that Rambo style of arrest wasn't necessary. It wasn't necessary because you who any invitation which the person has refused. Now you better call with this Rambo style. See a quack arrest in Nipano for on what grounds? And I believe say IGP yen shase I mean side arms you bet me start arrest and they should be using those things. Don't carry heavy guns within the community, traumatizing for family near there. And now on the other side, social media, meaning we've advanced in the media space. Social media now buying to me who be certain accounts no you bet me a control ana.
No, sir, who control accounts now, it means you are gagging freedom of speech. So there's always a fine balance between gagging but being responsible.
Yes, but Nana, I think said there are some individuals here. The way a man and no character on the social media space, certain accounts must be blocked. Because you never one penny for power, which means a papa in the Trinwa Bobby one Casabio, ne the Trinwa food journey, when Yini, which means a Ususa, some will be an one canoe, Sabinansa woman. But will be an anon. Ne the Inqualabisia, a sacred woman. The Inqualabetiaman, a say woman, the next generation will say woman. And such people consistently so ye Kurama council, no yes, I know man. Can't we control this?
We can. I think, sir, what we can do two things. Was say and I've started it. Oko Krubiswa.
Yeah.
All accounts must have a certain proper register.
Okay.
In Tisebi and Kagana Kada.
Okay.
And nona abino shese udi besi shenyumanim.
Yeah.
Two, was say ma wenimba your identity.
Issue and accounts now active.
And some accounts now active.
That should be the thing.
So that because they are crophobe me ma block on social media.
Yeah, they hide.
Obe create another accounts.
Yeah.
Ni di ma ni hwan ba no odi di watema no odi yebi.
Yeah.
Enti e was say abai no yese before say o metimi ni Facebook akasa.
That is it.
Say Facebook and I say TikTok whatever. In Ghana. So people so be accounts are.
Yeah.
And what say ebia ordene Ghana card. Some identity be
Edeba.
Otiase.
Yeah.
Say sebi wedi 18. Oteha okwaha.
Yeah.
Oye say.
Yeah.
The moment nipa ni be hu say Facebook na wo no. Ye betimi a trace you.
Yeah.
Because recently asemba kwa ye di hu nkomo.
Yeah.
Abrantie bi eyusu instead from sending message or threaten me. Any mebusia.
Yeah.
E ka chem se onyamia obekume.
Yeah.
As a CIA ka say e wo police intelligence ye hu adwuma. But now the difficulty is that the oyeye no ni tracing na den because we use accounts obetimi access accounts no anytime.
Yeah. That's the challenge.
Nti ene te say na wo mobile phone na wo register no. E wo say obi e wo Ghana no. Ministry of Communication, Timini Facebook, ni other people say anybody abebie account no.
Yeah.
And what's the first requirement? They say there's an identity, or Ghana card or something, a code, a special code be abeboashim.
Yeah.
And yes, sir, our accounts name to me. In that case, you know, say obi eko jina baby na or kabibia. We can trade your ball link na. Me will come accounts now Nana Jantuah.
Yeah.
Obe hu baby oye because me to me for BBNC. But obi wa wa obetna social media no adi watem. O kwa akopena unhu no.
Yeah.
So we need to trace those people and make sure say abino can alter and go into the accounts and know say accounts way eye obroni dia. But if you say oye adwuma wa ha okwa ha na busuafo ni, let's ask those kind of questions near FMB.
Very important.
Including their parents' name. They said you will fill forms. Your mother, your father, your siblings, next of kin. Are you married? How many children? Sanyoma Wena must be a requirement. Abroche.
Yeah.
It maybe na Facebook.
Sure.
And WhatsApp. WhatsApp say first no. Now we didn't come out with me. And no na USA for trans say massa. Just Sanyoma no. And yes, I bet you.
Yeah.
And to say WhatsApp is encrypted. Encrypted say WhatsApp for current to me whom come on. First, no commute me whom to come. They say, Nancy in FM, ya block be brain unim because only the community standard aba. Say, unti share bibia wope because a you be a japadia now share. You bet me a tree. You bet me the work of court.
Yeah.
Into Nancy, who share bibia enko ya Facebook be block you. I can't just say, Jumendi ye. Akoko adia into wasa illegal into Facebook bet me ayen share abua Ghana through Sam George and I trust him that henceforth so be a TikTok account so be then we should for our identity ebeshim obey sa no ebe man krofo mu gina Facebook and na se for di krofo atem no obetimi atrace no akoche no
Nana, it will even control Omusuban to social media, no, and that is what we're calling for. Say, the communications ministry and the other ministry involved, no, Omunkambumna, Nana, sa steps we omun take because Obi who's an identity and Nani BB show up a bit me up picking it up easily. Omunko Shasia and yes, I will hide it and walk a council be and semfra. And we see so many accounts are almost yes, I didn't know. If you cry issue threats, said they be threatening we any other, which causes panic and fear. In the lives of others, illegal, a crime. These people should be apprehended by a company because they've hidden themselves around some account to be no more yes or no man. And I think that social media, no see in Ghana, it needs to be controlled. Since penny for crano and sebe, Kaitimu say we nana grano sebe obuga in fear ediasan. So what the social media so no kasa sebe predias as we jana jene baby and oba abekasa social media and so. And those things are on call for. I think the ministry must take charge. But Nana, one thing they say, you say this is the new media. Abeka ye we are all utilizing it sebebua society. But also when you opportunity to use the social media, more general to say is either you are giving proper information, educating, and answer beer, okra source of encouragement. But over social media, so now we are there. Ebema society ni muejija ebe koso ntawantawa ne ade a hye hunu say enyo man ba padwumadi na wodie no. And of course I will plead with them benefo say ye momode na de ya kan omunye ne yencheche sankrofo ni to deter others omu so person omu create such account to do those things no, so be stopping Nana. All
right, in 104.5 and then I extensive education say Ghana no ye practice theory mienu which is libertarian. Say, utimi ye de ope, to see a yini first no na ye different criminal libel law. And no de na jeje breso no, o kasa problem timi ba. Ye papa o mampenyi kufo anda na kufo ado. And na ye yi sa de ni free ho. Nti say na obi atimi che na adwen. Ba na bia ye dru ne say obi atimi che na adwen but ya broso. O ti ase and last time na make atre even this aban benefited from say obi timi tena ni social media so no we didi obi atem nipa ni timi didi menshi atem edidi obi atem this aban benefit from it. And this is my worry. ye nyan krofo a omutimi tena platform so na omu declare say omu support NDC but no adidia kodidia didi machia edidi atem and they benefit from it, they don't talk about it. And this is dangerous. And I think say can say it's good to say Aban so close wound to me because of Emra.
Yeah.
But say Aban was our problem now. You were NDC platform be brain so omudi didn't say I was say Aban so man enibre. Because say close wound to me because wake can't say me and answer who say Emra kwanso now they ya. Yemfa the same mranon kase. NDC platforms ye ni mo mutimetina say DD MPP phones watem no. They should stop.
Yeah. Now say YouTube ni ade kra na Jeff mo na wo so kra mo ni those things that ye wo words bi wo ho a untumi type wo YouTube you say wo de ye wo title and say wo de to so and social media even Facebook a bit say blood untumi spelling full a bit to say be a shoot to kill shoot untumi spelling full just because they want to say words no ade o mu fin say I know yet dinner any say use even within the social media, you know, all typing on machine. There are things that you should also be cautious about to type. Banana, ye jaima obia kasa ye culture ni enimi ye twi kasa no. Ye nim de ye ne de enye. It will be kind it means a way there and number be enye. Why don't we control it? There all kind two spaces ni nyina nyina ye and the politicians both parties are benefiting from it.
Yeah.
And one thing is that say ye leaders I want me say my penny for say or more ministry sasha mun say so man control say de no and no be free of front so beba or no so be use the same thing against you.
Right.
It is saying ye be by for been to stringent measures be say there oh yeah say ne be yo name pokra parliament ne be pass samra ye titwi kasa nti uka twi na the meaning echo say ya ye be mamra ni wadi and those things will sanitize the system.
Ubeto atrewa adwene amame ewa comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Agra.